Hi, it's me, Trixie Mattel, and today I have reached an apex of excellence in my personal and professional life. I recently got my first PR package from Mattel, and even though this is an unpaid video, I have to share with you what the letter said. Hi, Trixie. Hope you're well and staying safe. Thanks again for all your support for Barbie, Creatable World, and Mattel. Can't wait to share some upcoming launches, but in the meantime, sending you a few items we thought you could use to pass the time and build your collection. Hashtag keep playing. Barbie and the Mattel team. They sent me a bunch of cool stuff. I got like a giant Uno game. I got a bunch of different Creatable World dolls. But every time I go to Target or Walmart or anything to try to get one of these, they're always sold out. The color reveal dolls. I got, I think, 5 of the big ones and 5 of the small ones. And I thought we could do something very epic. We could reveal all of these at once. You know, this is a drag channel and we love a reveal. So the way this toy works is, you don't know which doll, hair, costume, shoe, wig, anything you're gonna get. You can get a parent to help you. Shut up. So, as you can see, this space hooker comes in like a Beam Me Up Scotty tube encased in this hard plastic pink stuff. And so you have to actually submerge these in water to find out what they look like. Wow. I mean, I know we're supposed to be excited to uncase these, but I just think that looks amazing on its own. Doesn't this look like something they would have in the background of like a reality show, like Confessional? Like, I can't believe that bitch said that. They all come with molded hair because she comes with different wig options. They're different sculpts. They are, you can tell, like, look at these 2 prostitutes and tell me these are not 2 completely different sculpts. I know what you're thinking, Trixie Mattel, you just started getting sent toys and you're already calling the children's products hookers. Well, okay, so we have to fill these with water. If you didn't have to pee before this video, you probably do now. Let's put these whores in here, okay? Put them in head first. I feel like that's the move. And then use this to force them down. Look at the magic. The water's getting all cloudy. It looks like I just took a bath in it. No! Helen, stop. I have to say, if I was a kid, I would have loved this. This is so cool. I mean, a toy that you don't really know what you're gonna get. While they're cooking, I'm gonna ask all of you to please subscribe to my channel. We recently hit 500,000 subscribers and I can't believe it. You guys, I really make these videos for me all alone in my house and I really appreciate you guys watching.
You're not alone.
Oh, David's here. So let's see what the tea is here. Oh my God. There's so much water in the body, you guys. Do they come with little maxi pads or? Okay, if I was gonna do this again, I'd probably do this with a towel nearby. But she is beautiful. I love her shirt, I love her face, I love her hair. Well, let's see what she came with. I feel like I cut into that like a serial killer. Pop off wig. Oh my God, look. These have snap caps, sort of like the Creatable World dolls. If you guys haven't seen that series on my channel, go watch it. Hi wig, delete it wig. Okay. The little skirt. Pull the tights up over the skirt. Oh my God. You guys, she has really cute shoes. Look at the shoes. Wow. Very cute. Ooh. I honestly think this is what people feel like when they're doctors and they're delivering children. Look at it. Ah. Ah. Didn't see this coming. It's a red Rihanna wig. Oh, it's lit though, bitch. It's lit. Ah. Oh my God, she's in a taco swimsuit and she has a taco skirt. The shoes, bitch, the shoes. Oh, I love this. This person is a psychopath though, who's leaving their house in a red wig and a taco skirt. Pizza slut, pizza slut. She's got pizza on her butt. These faces are ridiculous. She looks perfect. Okay, whoa. Whoa. Wow. Alexa, play Sweet But Psycho by Ava Max.
All right, Sweet But Psycho by
No,
Ava
Alexa,
Max.
stop. Oh, it's a pizza skirt. I mean, I love the food theme. Let's put the shoes on. Oh my God. They really did that. Gold cowboy boots, bitch. I'm not gonna lie, this one's not my favorite. She's not really sure what event she's going to. She's prepared for a few different events and also none at all.
Dare you? No!
It just tastes like water. Do you think I really wouldn't drink that? Next. Ah! Okay, be prepared to get a little wet when you're doing this. Okay, wow. This one has probably the best face, I think. Look at this bitch. Whoa. I mean, this light lilac hair is really pretty. Let's see where her clothing is.
I'm gonna guess her clothing is on the white. That doll's in a donut skirt. Do you see what I'm saying?
Girl, what is this wig choice?
That's not for her.
Listen, she's just excited to be at Comic-Con, and no, she's not putting pants on.
That does not go with her.
Read her, drag her, David. David said, just so everybody knows. Let's see the shoe choice. Them are nice. I think them are nice. Popsicles. This is cute. Plus, I can wear this on my dick when I get married as a veil. I have no problem with this outfit. Popsicles and donuts and a wig. I mean, she looks great. I'm just not like over the moon about that wig. I think she looks better without it. Wouldn't you rather look like this? I think I'd rather look like this. It's so hot, it feels like a bottle of piss. And finally, I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say that maybe all these outfits don't all go with the dolls. This swimsuit has popsicles on it.
You just opened her pack for her. She's with the popsicle
You think?
skirt. The donut skirt is with the donut girl. And this is gonna be...
No.
This is gonna be popcorn.
You're on the edge of your seat because you want to be right.
I know I'm right.
It's a popcorn skirt. Listen, here's what's great about these looks. They are very mix and match friendly. So even though I think I opened them entirely out of order, they do all go.
Say I was right.
You're right. But I believe in mix and match food experiences. I mean, who doesn't look right in a blue wig? Well, I mean, this can't be right. With this black boot, from the ankle down, you're Daria Morgendorffer. She looks like Harley Quinn if she opened a food truck. Oh, this is her donut stuff. A much better look on her. I think this skin tone pulls this wig off a lot better. I'm just gonna say something controversial yet brave. As somebody who spends a lot of time in wigs, this looks like a baseball cap with hair glued to it. Whatever, if you're a kid, wouldn't you rather have two different hairstyles and have one of them not be great? I mean, these are literally the Spice Girls. Trixie! Hello, Trixie! Tell me this is not my line at DragCon. This is probably the most fun I've had opening dolls, and I think it's because I have no idea what's going to be inside. That makes for a really fun play experience. If you guys have liked these or enjoyed this, please let me know below. Otherwise, I will see you soon. Bye!